Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to show you how to delete fact checkers on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1, first open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the menu where you can access your settings. Step 2, now scroll down and find the option that says Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls to manage your Facebook experience. Step 3. Next, keep scrolling down until you see the blocking option. Tap on it. This section allows you to block specific users or pages from interacting with you on Facebook. Step 4. In the Blocked People section, you'll see an option that says Add to Block List. Tap on that and a search bar will appear. Step 5, type fact-checker into the search bar. Facebook will now show a list of accounts associated with fact-checking. Step 6, go through the search results and select the accounts that you want to block. Once you've chosen an account, tap block to prevent it from appearing in your feed or interacting with you. Step 7, after blocking the accounts, close the Facebook app completely and then reopen it. This refreshes the settings and ensures that the blocked accounts are no longer visible. Step 8. If you come across more fact-checking accounts later, you can repeat the same process to block them as well. That's it. You've successfully blocked fact-checkers on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.